I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want to begin immediately. Place a clean, dry stainless steel skillet on medium heat and add 1-2 teaspoons of oil or 1/2 tablespoon butter. Once the oil shimmers and a water droplet beads, you know the surface has formed a temporary nonstick layer. This is crucial because stainless responds to heat, not coatings. Preheating seals the pan's pores. Make sure to avoid smoking. Adjust heat down if it smokes rapidly, then add ingredients right away. You should place proteins or vegetables into that hot oil without crowding. This encourages Maillard browning and prevents steaming. Once food releases naturally, flip it. If it resists, wait a bit longer. After searing on medium-high, reduce heat to finish cooking through so you don't burn the exterior while undercooking the interior. When bits stick to the pan, tilt it and pour about 1/4 cup liquid to deglaze. This lifts the fond and creates an instant pan sauce finish by removing food and letting proteins rest so carryover heat evens internal temperature and preserves juices. If something is stuck, don't force it. Add a splash of hot liquid, let it bubble for a minute, then scrape gently with a wooden or silicone tool to release the bits. Finally, clean the skillet with warm water and mild detergent or a baking soda paste for stubborn discoloration. Then dry thoroughly. This prevents spotting and keeps your stainless skillet performing like new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.